Should I make it? Okay, I'm coming. Just put the one. I use hand. Responsibility of looking out after the You guys, as we all know, the kids are on break, so I decided to make this yummy ice cream for my children. So let me carry you guys along, okay? So in here, the first thing I add was my powdered whipping cream, and I add in some cold water, and I gave it a quick mix. Okay, make sure that you whisk it properly until it's stiff peak, just like what you're seeing in this video. So when it's stiff peak at this point, the next thing you should add is your condensed milk. Make sure that your condensed milk is also well chilled enough, and you can also add in your evaporated milk, but that one is actually optional. Do not forget to add in your flavors as well. I used the vanilla flavor, so I also used a cocoa biscuit. I didn't really have any Oreos at home because the goal was to make a Oreo ice cream, so what I had to use the available biscuits in my fridge, of which I did. I made sure that I crushed it properly. I put my ice cream in a popsicle and also in a plate. Here I'm using a chocolate topping sauce, right, just for garnishing sake. So after that, I put it in the freezer for it to freeze for like 8 hours, or you can make it overnight, okay? And now it's properly chilled. You can see how yummy this ice cream is. I have a cone at home. I decided to put it into a cone. Yeah, what my kids have to say about this ice cream. Hey, mommy take. Okay, now cone on. Do you like your ice cream? Yeah. So my mom came visiting on this day. I gave her one and she loved it. So this is the popsicle here. I just have to have a taste of mine. And guys, trust me, it's so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Hi people, so come shop with me. As you guys already know that food items is very expensive. So I got these Irish potatoes for 1000 naira, and I've got the cucumber for 200 naira, the carrots for 500 naira, and the green pepper for 200 naira. I got the spring onions for 200 naira, and I got this pepper for I think 500 naira. I also got these tomatoes in the plates down here for 1000, the fish, pala fish for 2300. Got some strawberries for my smoothie for 2000 naira, yes, and I got the lemon for 300 naira. Also, I got this meat, guys. You guys will believe that this meat cost me 5000. I can see how much is for 5k only, guys. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Thank you so much for the market to shop some soup ingredient for him, because I want to prepare something delicious for him on the day he's going to come back from the burial. So 2 days later, I started preparing this delicious okra soup, and like I said, guys, it's a surprise for him. And on this day that I was cooking this soup, that was the day he was supposed to come back. And guys, oh my god, the delicacy, this soup is heavenly. I actually spent so much money to get this okra soup ingredient for him, because like, guys, come on now, he's my husband, and because he has been mourning, I need to pamper him, make him feel good, and all of that stuff. And for the fact that he loves okra soup so much, I said, okay, let me just prepare something delicious for him. And guys, oh my god, this okra soup is giving. Just check out this soup now. So many obstacles inside this soup. There's fish, there's prawns, like a lot is inside this soup. Just check out. And yeah, guys, the soup is ready, and this soup is so delicious. Like, what? Just check out Odogu soup. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. My husband actually enjoyed eating.
And banana plus lemon. Wow.
I can put anything.
Excuse. Excuse you. Stay.
Okay,
Yeah. Banana.